Add this 5,000 naira to the 10 tubers of yam. Give them to Uba. See how he is faring. And tell him that I will come to see him tomorrow, okay?
Okay, Papa.
You are telling me okay and you are sitting down?
Papa, I'll go and deliver the message when Agatha must have gone for her jam lesson.
Why?
Because I want peace to reign.
You have had any problems?
No, I just want to avoid seeing her for a while, to stay away from her for a while.
So why do you want to distance yourself from Agatha?
Agatha, now. Oh, so that is why you want to keep your distance from your best friend? Eh?
Mama, I don't just want to come in between Agazi and his girlfriend, Philo.
But why would she even say such a thing? Who in this village doesn't know of the standing relationship between both families? Or that I can't be doing?
But Mama, come to think of it, if I were in her shoes, honestly, I'll do the same thing.
My daughter.
Papa.
Agazi's father and I have always been best friends from our childhood. Your mother and Agazi's father have also been best friends right from their childhood.
Tessie.
Do not allow anybody to come between you and Agazi until both of you get married respectively.
Papa, this friendship would have been better if Agazi was a girl.
My daughter, but we cannot question Chukwu Kikabiyama for making Agazi a male child.
Hey, what do you mean? Now you food to eat. Are you ready to eat your food?
Hey! So, you have decided to distance yourself from Agatha because of Philomena, isn't it?
But you don't understand. Agatha is like a sister to me. But Philomena is a girl I hope to marry when I'm done with my university education. And I have to respect her opinion.
Good afternoon, sir.
And what is good about this afternoon? Eh? Now tell me, what transpired between you and Agatha?
I was warning her to stay away from my boyfriend, but she wouldn't listen.
You have been warning her. Now listen to me. If you are a stranger in this village, go and ask anybody in this village about the relationship that exists between my family and Oba's family. And I warn you, if you dare do anything that will bring discord between these two families, I will twist your neck. Did you hear me? Rubbish.
So you reported me to your father?
No, not exactly.
Philo, wait, I can explain. Philo.
are you coming from?
I went to see Agazie, but...
Agazie, the most handsome man of all. I wish I could snatch him away from you.
Chineme, something is wrong with your brain.
Rico, but jokes apart, that guy is cute. He's handsome.
See, you better be joking, or I'll pour you raw acid.
Raw acid?
Yes.
Where will you get that from?
How much will it take me to go to city and buy raw acid?
Bigger cage, don't go. I don't want to be defunct.
Then you better stay away from my boyfriend. Hope you.
Oh, yes, ma'am.
Will you be going to the stream much later in the day?
Today. Yeah, I think so.
That means we'll go together.
I haven't gone. I just come and call me.
Hello. Need to
Bam, why you all churring? Leave him, please. I'm still thinking of this thing. Let me just tell you something now. Don't ever allow anybody, especially that stupid girl, to get between you and Agazie. Agazie is a brother to you. A brother from another mother. I don't want anybody seeing any kind of disaffection between both of you. And if I know why.
I heard, Mama. Uncle, good afternoon.
I didn't ask for your greeting. Yes. Oba, my brother, how are you?
I'm getting better.
Hey. The same response you gave me yesterday.
Well, I'm much better than yesterday.
That's okay.
No.
Okay. I didn't need to sit. It's alright.
You can go.
Yes.
I want to make a suggestion.
Go ahead.
Give your wife a second chance.
How?
Forgive her and ask her to come back.
A woman that was cheating on me. You want me to forgive her and bring her back to my family?
You can go. Do not give a dog a bad name because you want to kill it. Your wife was not cheating on you.
Now I know that you hurt me.
You can go.
Nani, I don't even know why you bother. This your brother doesn't have a listening ear. I wasn't here. Let him just carry on with his life.
He's my younger brother. I cannot keep quiet and watch him lose his wife and really see.
Has no heart. Let him stay low. That's the only thing that fits him. Heartless man.
And watch him lose his wife and his son.
Mama, good afternoon, Mama. Mama, good afternoon. Thank you. How are you?
Fine.
Papa, good afternoon, sir.
Good afternoon, Agazie. How are your parents?
Yeah, they are very fine, sir. My father sent me, he said I should give you these 2 bags of yam and this money, 5,000 naira.
5,000? Can't you then? 5,000 naira just.
Yes, ma'am.
Thank you.
Thank God.
So,
meet your father for me.
I will. I will. I'm
much more better today than before.
We thank the gods. You will be fine.
Nah, because reach your parents immensely for me.
I will, Mama.
Every fast. Chukuga.
Thank
you so much. Yeah.
Thank you very much.
Okay.
Thank you.
Papa? You'll be fine, sir. You'll be fine.
One jemba. Badopanya o. Wadanya. Ago. What I'm telling you, your brother, and I crazy. Hey, chicken and can never an hour winner. Nah, you don't have a choice than to get better now.
Hey!
I was actually coming to your house.
What is the problem?
It is concerning your wife.
Point of correction. My retired wife. You cannot continue.
She asked me to plead with you on her behalf to please accept her back. That she never cheated on you and she will never cheat on you.
So she sent you to come and plead with me on her behalf.
Exactly.
So you're already interested in her half.
What are you talking about?
Zolant. Yes, you will hear from me soon. Coming soon. Since you're already interested in her half. Zolant. Zolant.
My husband, what is wrong with you? Eat to your satisfaction now. You are going to work, eh?
My dear, I think I am okay.
No, you can't be okay. Oh, you can't be okay. You have to eat to your satisfaction. You cannot kill yourself like this now, eh?
My daughter, don't worry. Just leave the food for your daddy to eat, okay? I'll go and get food from grandma's house for you to eat.
Don't
Eat
worry.
something.
Don't worry. Ada, please eat this food. You don't have to do this. Papa is sick. And I think we need to be sending things to Papa, not going to Papa to collect the little they have. Please let Adam manage this food. Let me go to the site and see what I can get for today. I will be okay. I will be fine. Ada, don't worry.
You know Mama knows we don't have money. You have to eat something. You can't kill yourself now, eh?
Listen. I don't want you to go to Mama again. I want us to always manage whatever we have in this house. Don't go and add more burden to Mama. We're supposed to be sending things to Mama. Please, learn to manage whatever we have here. Please, let me go to the site and do little I can do for today. Whatever I bring home, then you can cook better food. Then we'll eat.
Bye-bye.
Thank you, my daughter.
Take care of yourself, oh.
know that I do not blame Philo. I do not blame Philo at all. Because some bad mouths are talking about our son and Agatha. I don't blame her.
Our people are very bad.
Oh.
Too bad.
They are just so jealous of this family. They are so jealous of the relationship between our family and Uba. And if given the chance, they will destroy this family. But the gods of our land will not allow them.
You are in the house.
They are so jealous of...
Hey! Akuzo.
Ikenga.
No,
you came to visit us today? Huh?
No.
Back to sender. Huh? Yes, listen. I've come to warn you. To leave my brother alone. He's not your brother. He's my brother. Leave him alone.
Ikenga, why do you think it is possible? I will not leave him alone. Unless he says so.
Your relationship with him is like adding naught to one.
How?
Adding okoro naught to one.
How?
It has done him more harm than good. Leave him alone. Leave my brother alone. Leave him. Leave him.
Somebody should help me. Somebody should help me.
What?
My father is dying. Somebody should help.
God forbid.
Uba, my own brother.
God forbid.
Uba. Look, you and your husband should pray that nothing happens to my brother. It's all land.
Hello. Oh, sister. What is the matter? Sister, talk to me now. What is it? Why are you crying? Tell me nothing has happened to Papa. His condition suddenly became worse. Chinelo, come and see him before he dies. What? Oh. Ada, stay here. Make sure you don't go anywhere. I'm coming back.
Obanese, Akuzue, your childhood friend is here. Get up! Stand up! Wake up! Open your eyes! You fought this sickness to a standstill. When it was time to win the battle, death struck. Hey! Hey! Whoever has done this, a person or group of persons that has done this to you, hey, do not allow them to escape. Do not annihilate them. Go in peace. My brother from another mother. Go in peace.
Hey, Wale! Ubawande Mado. Courageous man. Hey! The stomach is a leader because it is courageous. Hey! Adiola go kujo. Nasatu wa mangok. Heku kulinda kundoka lapili yendu nebele seni ndo koreta tarita yana sasa kwandi pozile kia baburu tawa. Oh! Oh! Ba, was that why you asked me to go and bring back my wife and my little son? Uba wane madu. Hey! Hey! Hey!
Are you crying?
No, I'm not.
This is
I'm not crying.
It's not time for cry.
I'm not crying.
It's okay.
It's all land.
It's all right.
It's all land. It's all land. I'm not crying.
Hey! Hey! Hey, whoa. Let's carry this.
Come, let's carry him inside. Hey! Open the Carry him, carry him, carry him. Hey! Hey, whoa.
My husband is dead. There's nothing we can do about it. Even if you had come here yesterday, there's nothing you could have done. You would have only come to collect things from us, Aubrey.
Mama, it is unfortunate that it happened when we least expected it. God knows why he allowed Papa to go home now, that I don't even have anything. Papa, I will personally miss you. But at least you'll be remembered for your wonderful legacies.
My hunches are right. I heard your voice and decided to come. Runaway soldier.
Dikeh, you're welcome.
I will. Why did it take you so long to come?
Dikeh, I actually went to Enugu about to work. Due to means of coming back, I couldn't come home on time. Please, I am sorry.
Your friends go to work to make money. You come back with stories. Even if you came back by 1 a.m., why didn't you make effort to come rather than come now?
When I came back, I was very tired. I was having a terrible headache. It was as if someone was using Monday hammer on my head. I tried to come, but I couldn't just come. So I tried to come, but I couldn't come. Please.
Can you listen to yourself? Just listen to yourself, Papa Obiam. Somebody who gave his daughter to you in marriage died. And that was the time witches and wizards were using Monday hammer on your head. And they could not break it. And now you have bowed the head. But why? While I write as if it is Agilo, yet you don't have money.
I don't pay for these cottages. All of my friends are as a barbering shop that do all of these things.
Obama koro sekoji. Papa Obiam, chairman and Obenye. Listen to me. It is this burial that will expose your wretchedness to the whole world. Obenye on to one. It would have been better if you didn't come, because I know it's Juliana who is going to give you transport money to transport your useless self back to your village. I don't even know what Chinelo saw in you. Chinelo Ochamugo Njiemono. If you were to be meat, you would be less than 1 chicken. Don't worry, it is this burial that will expose your wretchedness to the whole world. What a terrible mistake! Look at you. Less than 1 snail. Don't worry, it's this burial. It's all anti. It's all anti. We shall see.
Mama, I am sorry that I was not able to come early enough. Please accept my sympathy.
How is your wife and my granddaughter?
They are okay. I think they will soon be here. Please, Mama, accept my sympathy. There is one thing I want you to know, Mama. that everyone on earth, every human being on earth, shall die someday, sometime. You never can tell.
Well, my husband is gone. He's dead. Even if you had been here yesterday, he would still have died. He would have only come to collect things from us, Aubrey.
Mama, you know I'm not happy that Papa is dead. I've been hustling to see how far I can gather something so that we can be coping with.
You've been hustling. Hafiz is able money. You come here to beg and collect things from us. That is part of what killed my husband. In case you do not know, better know it now.
I'm sorry, Mama.
On where if I didn't matter now? On where?
Papa, I will miss you.
Oh, baby.
That's not the way to do it. I'm mad. Daddy, what is it? I mean, you can't continue like this. It's true your father was buried yesterday. You can't bring him out no matter how you cry. Eh? You can't continue like this. Eh? Daddy, it's all right. You have cried enough. Eh? It's okay. Eh?
Uncle.
What is it?
My hope of going to the university is dashed.
Who said? No, how?
Look at it. My father is dead. Who is going to train me in the university? Who?
That is never a problem, Adamado. You are the daughter of my brother. And now that he's dead, it is my responsibility to sponsor you in the university.
Uncle, thank you.
No.
Thank you, Uncle.
Adamado, you don't need to thank me. You are my brother's daughter. And now that he's no more, it's my responsibility to sponsor you in the university. So you are going into the university with a serere werere.
Uncle, God bless you. Thank you.
Madam Hoha. So you'll be there. The university is for people like you, okay?
Thank you so much.
So as far as I'm concerned, you don't have any problem.
Uncle, thank you.
It's all land. So go and do your house chores. I'll be back soon. Okay?
Okay.
It's all land. Yeah?
Oh, dear fool. How much is the university after all?
Akuzwe, you know the left hand is closer to the anus. I have come to you because when my brother was alive, he never hid anything from you.
His wife is there. she is in a better position to tell how much that her husband had before he died in his account.
The Juliana I know will not tell me anything. She cannot even say fame.
Why?
Because she is greedy. She would prefer to spend all the money on clothes, jewelries, food, eat this, eat that, rather than give my brother a befitting burial.
Okay. Let me tell you now. When your brother was sick, he told me that he had 800,000 naira in his account before he died.
800,000 pium.
Yes.
Ewele.
Listen, even that account now is empty.
So, are you saying that 800,000 pium just disappeared like that?
No. It was used for hospital bills and drugs.
Hospital bills and drugs. Okay, but are you saying that we cannot get at least 200,000 pium from that account?
But why ask me all these questions? Eh? As at last 2 weeks, only 20,000 naira is remaining in that account.
Chineke mere mercy.
Man proposes, God disposes.
Oh, even name. Hey, Akuzwe, listen to me. Listen to me. Whether you and Juliana like it or not, my brother cannot be buried like a common man in the society. He worked so hard and made money. Let me tell you, my brother cannot be buried like a poor man.
Kenga.
Hey,
Listen to me.
It's all land. I've told you my mind. It's all,
don't know what
it's
you're
all land.
Hey!
We shall see.
My husband never told me Akuzwe was owing him any money before he died.
But was there anybody in this village or elsewhere who was owing him even sheshe before he died?
No, not to the best of my knowledge.
But are you aware that he had 800,000 pium in his account before he died?
That was before he became sick. Part of that money was used to pay hospital bills and also buy drugs.
So a whooping sum of 800,000 pium went into hospital bills and drugs. Is that what you are saying?
The last 20,000 was withdrawn last week. The account is empty.
Hey, Juliana. Juliana. You and Akuzwe have a case to answer. Yes, we all know Adam's wife to be Eve. But does anybody know his concubine? Hey, Juliana. Do you know why I don't tell Auntie Gwegwe to close her legs? It's because I don't know her source of fresh air. It's all land. Juliana! Hey! It's all land. We shall see. Oh!
You can have this. Oh, Auntie, are you going out?
Oh yes, I'm going to work.
Auntie, you'll not meet me here when you come back home.
Oh. Okay, you can have this.
But Auntie, I don't have 200 naira to give you.
Don't worry, just keep it.
Oh, thank you.
But wash the white
Very well. No problem. I will wash it very, very well. Okay. All right. Okay. God bless you, Auntie. Take care.
Bless you too.
Uncle, I greet you.
Look at you. Just look at yourself. Smelling poverty. Poverty all around the village. Is it only when poverty rapes you to death that you realize that the financial status of your husband is a death trap? All through the death and burial of your father, that mumu you call your husband did not contribute to share. Kobo, he did not. Not even a crippled chicken or a paralyzed rabbit as Onyogo. He did not contribute. Now, you have come to your mother to collect food, to go and feed that lazy, useless idiot. My prayer for you is that if this food enters his mouth, you will vomit his entire stomach. Yes, that's my prayer for you. That's why wouldn't you run? Stay there, let me unleash my anger into potent curses and unleash it on that your good for nothing husband. Look at her. Ugo mana man area war. Gila mama se kwe photo. Ugo mana man area war. Eh? Ukita me chakwa gonu.
Hey mama,
University. By the time he graduates, it will be Upu Sarambana BA Honors.
Mama. You people win lottery. What is all this noise for?
No. Uncle has been admitted into the university. Admission later. Uncle Lekwaya.
So you have money to take your daughter to the university. Yet you could not give my late brother a befitting second burial.
May the gods strike me down if I had money to give my husband a befitting second burial and I didn't do that.
Oh, you don't have money, but you were dancing a guku and uku sarambara here with your daughter just because they gave her admission into the university.
But uncle, you promised to sponsor me when I
shut up your
admission,
mouth.
and I have.
I did, but I've changed my mind because it is useless. I've realized that it is useless to sponsor the girl child in the university. It's like washing a stone with which you want to throw out a bed. It's useless.
No, uncle, you did not say that. Uncle, you promised me.
You shut up your mouth. Do I owe you any explanation? After all, when your father was alive, did he take me as his younger brother? Was it not Akuzue that he cared for and loved? I will take you to Harvard. No, I will go and buy an aeroplane that will carry you to Obodo Yimbo to the university because you are the president's daughter. Look at all your mates selling pure water. Some are learning hairdressing, some are not saying Lisa, now Bambo, now we take into the family. In a way, in a university. Foolish girl, foolish daughters of a foolish mother. It's all yanti. It's all yanti. We shall see.
You make promises you cannot keep.
Send her to the university.
God will answer our prayers.
Send her to the university.
Okay, take her to the university.
Let them go and learn hairdressing.
Nonsense.
Uncle, you promised me. Why is he changing his mind now?
It's okay.
Why is he changing his mind now, Uncle? Mama, what am I going to do now?
Something must happen. Stop crying. So my own son will not be in the university. Hey! My son, the gods of our land will bless you.
And bless you more, Mama.
You see, and I am going to be the very first man to have a graduate in my lineage.
Papa, it is true, but not just a graduate. In the next 6 years, I, Agazi, will be a qualified civil engineer.
Did you hear him? Did you hear my son?
I have said that you are the son of a lion. And you are equally a lion.
Good. And in this same village, my style of working will change.
Hey! Thanks be to the gods.
Nigeria, no, we fall. Thank you, my son.
I can now die a worthy death.
What will you be talking about?
With smiles on my face.
How can you be talking about that?
No, doesn't mean I am going to die today.
Let's celebrate this day. Let's celebrate my son first. Don't talk about that.
Huh? Yeah? Agatha.
No, come, my dear. Come here. Come to me. Why do you cry? What is it? It's okay.
My uncle says he will not train me in the university.
Is that why you are crying?
I wish my father was still alive. He would have given me the best education.
Don't talk like that.
That's why you are crying? Eh? After all, you can still live a very good life, even without education. Eh?
Agatha will go to the university with or without the support of her uncle.
I would have loved to take care of that responsibility. But I do not have the financial strength to sponsor both of you in the university. It's all right, my daughter. It's all right. It's okay. Hmm? I got that one. It's okay.
Let her take my place then.
Hey! Hey!
What is wrong with you? Have you come mental? I'm sure I did not give birth to a madman. Hey, what are you doing?
Mama, I am not mental. Mama, Papa.
Chimo.
I am fine.
Chimo.
I am fine.
Hey, Nani.
Agatha is like a sister to me. I'd rather sit down at home than have her cut short her dream because of her uncle.
Engineer.
And that is why you have to tear your letter of admission? Something has turned your brain around. Something has turned your brain upside down that you no more reason like a normal human being. What? No. Please, leave this place. Go.
Papa.
Your father was right when he said you did not give it a second thought. Mommy, you don't know care at all.
Mama, Agatha has to go to school. She has to go to school. Someone has to train her.
But you know that your father would have trained both of you in school. He would have gladly done it. You don't understand his financial status. Emma, you know how it is with him financially. The only land he had was what he sold to build us this home. Let's put just throw everything away.
Mama, all I know is that Agatha has to go to the university. I want her to go to the university and I will do anything, everything. I will work hard, day and night, in the sun and in the rain to make sure I provide for her. She will not lack anything. She has to be comfortable.
At the detriment of your future. At your own detriment. Engineer Nwam. What do you gain, Nwam? Engineer. You thought all that away and threw it out.
Mama, I am a man. And I will survive. No matter what.
Ezeoku. Doing what? You have forgotten. Engineer Nwam. My pride of being a mother to an engineer. That is what you throw and throw away. And you want me to be dancing and celebrating it. Is that what you want? How?
Thank you.
May the gods of the land guide you. When you get to school, become one. Concentrate on your studies. No lipstick, no eye pencil. Concentrate on your studies and work hard. So that you can make this young man proud. He sacrificed everything just to make sure you have a future.
I'll do my best. To make all of you proud. Agazi, I'll never fail you. You're my hero.
You are the real hero. Never let anyone or anything derail you from your dreams. No matter what happens. We all wish you well. My father, my mother, your mother. We all wish you well. Now, whether you become the best, it's up to you. But I promise you, if you work hard for the next 5 years, you will be fulfilled for the rest of your life.
I promise. I'm going to put in my best.
I trust you.
My daughter. Enugu, you have had it all. Nobody is born great. People become great when others are sleeping. So please, make good use of all your nights. Do not jump up and down with those bandwagon frivolous students in that school. Did you hear me? Good.
Mom. We think it's in name. May the gods of our land guide and protect you.
Say.
May they remind you, Mom, of where you are coming from. Oh, they are coming.
Chinelo, thank the gods that I met you. Gods of our land. Thank you. So my sister is finally going to the university. Yes, just like that. Sister, shame will definitely blind all our enemies. And shame will definitely beat them like the rain beats the roof. Sister, I am happy for you. I am happy.
That's all right, that's all right. Let's see her off. Okay. It's all right, it's okay.
Mama, it's okay. She will come back.
You wipe your tears. She's going for a good thing now.
Bye-bye.
University. You leave that one.
Hey,
Hey! Back to your cousin!
Hey, Agazi, look at what you've done to yourself. Huh? You decided to sell your future to a cheap girl because she tried to impress you, just to take you away from you. A village shoemaker. Huh? When you're supposed to be in the university.
Philomena, what is the problem this afternoon? Can you not see that I'm in the middle of work?
Work? You call this work? Eh? A village shoemaker. When you're supposed to be in the university. Anyway, since you have decided that good things taste bitter in your mouth, I've also decided to call this relationship a quit.
Philo, I can explain. Just relax. Let me explain. Oh?
Just keep your explanations to yourself. I will not be the one to suffer the consequences of your foolishness.
Philo, my love. Please. Just relax, let me explain. Don't do this now.
Come! Don't touch me. Chronic fool. You have decided to be poor. And I'm very much allergic to poverty. I'm in the university now, as you can see. Go and choose your size. We are no longer on the same size. Excuse me.
Philo, my love. Philo, don't do this now. Philo, kwa moi. Philo.
Agaze surprised everybody. Look at a guy who had been longing to go to university. Just woke up one morning and tore his admission letter. Just to train a girl who is not even his blood sister in university.
My dear, he said the uncle reminded her of the late father and she cried bitterly. Imagine such talk.
That is exactly what I'm saying. Agaze was hypnotized. For me, I suggest you go cooperate with his parents to know if you can deliver him.
I would have believed he was hypnotized. But his dealings with Agatha in the past, they are all very fresh in my memory.
Yes. What do you mean by that?
I've caught them several in secluded places studying biology now.
What's wrong with that?
You don't know the study of reproductive system leads to practical.
I thought they said that Agatha is like a blood sister.
Sister Bakwoko. Sister Ndi Owere. My dear, take that one off your memory. Anyway, don't even regret leaving him.
No, look, I will not leave him just like that. I would have gone close to him to find out why he have to do something like that. You know what?
No. And I said, Mba. I'm what more than a poor village cobbler. Mbao. If you want him, please go for him. I'm not interested.
If I'm interested, I should go and take him.
Yes.
You will not call me raw acid this time around.
No. I have left him. I've left him. Take.
You can show.
From my heart.
Okay, so what do?
Please help me. Oh, give me what? What is the matter? What's pursuing you? What is the matter?
Mama, my daughter is dying. Mama, please help me. I don't have any money to buy medicine for her. Please help me, Biko.
How much do you need?
knows, Betty told me it's 1,500 naira. They've not paid my husband since the last job he did. Mama, please, you can help me.
Just wait.
My daughter.
Hey! Will you shut up your mouth? Shut up your mouth! National chairperson of Ndio Obwenye. That your useless husband is a parasite. When you are hungry, he sends you to your mother. When the children are sick, he sends you to your mother. But once it is night, he becomes the lion of the tribe of his bedroom.
Here, 1,700. Use 200 for your transport.
Thank you.
Mommy, I don't want anything to happen to my grandchild, though.
Juliana, do you know you're a compound fool? Yes! For how long will this continue? You are the one spoiling them.
You're not my husband. So mind your business.
By virtue of our tradition and custom, I'm your husband. And the father of these children, Kushigogi final.
By the same virtue of custom and tradition, you're supposed to take off the brother's family.
It's all land.
They're my children. Let me spoil them.
The mother-in-law.
Yes.
National chairman. The national chairman.
I accept. Where's your wife? Where's your child? You don't take care of anybody. You sent your wife and your son back to your wife's family. No never ne so Colombia. Not penny not trying waka.
It's all land.
Boyo.
We shall see.
Boyo. I got here Kwenka.
We shall see.
No. Oja atwan.
Papa. No. Kele. You want to see me?
Welcome.
I got a scholarship to study in the United Kingdom.
Oh, yes. United Kingdom.
After this school, I got a job in one of the biggest engineering companies in the country.
Hey! That's a very good one, my son. Nice.
And I thank God today, God has lifted me to the position of a manager.
Huh? Manager? Manager, Kwano?
Yes, Papa.
Manager of the company?
Exactly.
Hey!
Yes, Daddy. I remembered Agaze was admitted into the university to study civil engineering. And that is why I've come to employ him in my company. But I don't understand what Mama is saying about his education.
My son, all you heard is true. Agaze, my son, took the decision himself.
Oh, Mama, what kind of stupid decision is that? The decision that will ruin his life, his future, everything. I don't understand it.
Edoze, Agatha is like a daughter to us too. Huh? Oh, yeah.
Yes, Papa, but for goodness sake, Agaze is the man. Yes, soon to be the breadwinner. Seriously, if you are talking about education, yeah, he should be the one educated. I mean, he's the pillar of this home.
Eh? I think he's here.
Where can I be here?
Hey, no, no, stop it. Just hold it. What's this? My own cousin, a cobbler, a shoemaker. Oh, this for a woman that will disappoint you someday.
Check on you. Shut up there, Dossier. Will you keep quiet? Eh? Don't even go that side. Nena wagi. Can't you go again? Or education? Is it your education? Papa. Is it your education, Dossier? Why are you drinking for another man's headache? What's your problem? Nena wagi. Nonsense. What? Papa. Hey! What? Madam, take your seat. Oh. Hey! Papa! Hey! 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 Agana!
Look at you!
Hey!
Papa, look at
Compassion.
How are you? See, you're looking so good.
Let's go.
Mama, how are you?
And you look like a gallant soldier. This is compassion.
Oh, Mama, it's not compassion. Youth copper.
Youth copper.
Hey, you welcome. Wait, let me take your bag.
Yes. Thank you, Mama. Thank you.
Please, help her to.
Thank you.
Hey, Agatha.
You see, I have finished my youth service. So the first place I decided to come to is here. Let me come and greet you.
Very good, Agatha.
Mama.
Mama.
Hey, take a seat.
Thank you. Thank you, Mama. See, Mama, I have finished my youth service and I decided that the first place I'll come to will be here.
Oh, that is
That's why I decided to come and greet you.
That is good.
Hey, Mama, what of my brother, Agazie?
Agazie.
Hey!
What is this?
Agatha.
What is this? Agazie, please now.
Get up. Manage
Please.
Manage yourself.
Agazie, please now.
Mazi Kenga, here is my son, Chikasi.
Yes.
The one I've been talking to you about. To marry your niece, Agatha. He has just returned from Abuja.
Orlando.
Chikasi, meet your prospective father-in-law.
I greet you, sir.
Oh, my son, you're very welcome.
Thank you, sir.
There isn't much to talk about. Agatha has graduated from the university. No receipt, no carryover. Yes. So next on her mind now is marriage.
That is very good.
Yes, my dear. But like our people say, a snake seen by one person is a python.
You are correct.
And also, you know that no one person can form a circle.
You are very correct.
So let me invite her mother for proper introduction.
It's good.
Take this food to Agazie. Tell them to manage it. I know it's small, but it's the little I could get from the farm.
Okay, Mama.
Okay.
Juliana.
Wait for me. Come.
Julie, come. There is good news hovering around us. Yes. Julie, here is Maza Amadi and his son. Yes. As a matter of fact, his son is a very successful businessman in Abuja of all places.
Yes.
Mazi Amadi, you're welcome. None.
Thank you, Wanyoma.
His son has come to seek our daughter's hand in marriage. I mean, Agatha.
Yes. I've heard you. I'm coming.
Mazi Kenga, is everything the matter?
What did she just do now? Did she just kiss the good news, or was that a hiss?
I don't understand.
Anyway, Juliana, you must be joking. She must be joking. You see, Agatha is my brother's daughter, my late brother's daughter. And by virtue of our tradition, it is my responsibility to give her out in marriage. So forget this nyanga tolo of Juliana. It will never work. Never ever work. No, sure. Come back whenever you are ready. Okay? Agatha is yours. So whenever you are ready, come back here.
Mazi Kenga,
No.
we have heard you.
Good.
Whenever you call on us, we will be coming.
Oh, it's all
My son, let us go.
It's all lancy. And it just anguti. Oh. Okay, my dear. Whenever you're ready, Yes, come back. She's all yours. What is wrong with this woman? I don't blame anybody who is born poor, but I blame anybody who dies poor. This woman is not ready to do anything to uplift her family. She wants to die in poverty with her entire family. It's all land. We shall see.
Hey, no wonder our ancestors used to live very, very long.
What we eat today is curry versus Maggi equals to fried nonsense. This is the real deal.
Agacha, you can see that your mother has justified her upbringing again. As usual, eh? So very soon, it is your turn. We will score you.
Papa. But you know I always take after my mother. Was I not the one that prepared the last food we ate in this house before I went for youth service?
Don't mind them, my daughter. You are a very good cook. And they all have confirmed it. They're just pulling your legs, so you should ask any of them if they can prepare ordinary yam with common palm oil.
Mama, nanugum, but you should remember my condition, so leave this remaining condition. Remain more food for me. Mama, come on. Papa,
what is wrong with you?
Don't you know how long I have been sick?
So, Papa, you're forming sickness now because of food, I think.
Juliana.
The mouthpiece of the gods. Iteji sibe nkaku neshi iteneshi. Speak to us, the mouthpiece of the Omumaja oracle. Speak to us. We are all ears.
When E-Log decides to make a man his partner, even a ripe banana can remove his teeth. But no matter how difficult it could be, the thread must find its path through the needle. Elders of Okuda.
Ezemo, an animal with the horns can never be wrapped with paper. Bear the minds of the gods To us, for one who willingly bath with a cold water does not feel the cold.
The breadfruit will fall at its appropriate time.
For comment.
The Omumaja sacrifice comes up in the next 3 months.
Hey! Hey!
He who feeds the child must be allowed to lick his fingers. The Omumaja sacrifice, Omumaja, the god of fertility, must be allowed to make a choice of a boy and a girl who is not married for the sacrifice. We have enjoyed fertility for the past 50 years in our soil and in human. Now, this is the time for us to show our profound gratitude to the gods. This is the command of the gods.
But, Papa, I have never heard of this sort of sacrifice before.
Yes. The last time the Omumaja's sacrifice was performed was 50 years ago. It was no news for the ears to behold. Two unfortunate people, a boy and a girl, perished in Omumaja's shrine. It was a period of weeping and gnashing of teeth. All the youths of marriageable age that are yet to get married, both home and abroad, lived in fear until Omumaja finally chose the two unfortunate people.
Now you are scaring me the more. So what is the next move?
Agazie has to get married. He has to get married immediately.
Papa, Ibiakwa, are we supposed to be talking about marriage or my healing?
Agazie, we cannot be talking about healing alone. We also have to talk about you getting married in order to escape the Omumaja sacrifice.
My son, do you have any girl on your mind to get married to?
It was Philomena, but she left me.
No, I got us no Philo. Who again do you have in your mind?
I have not thought about it, Mama.
Eh? What about Agatha? Is she not good enough? Eh?
Juliana, what is the source of your joy? You see your life? See what you have cost your own daughter. What? She's going to end up as a sacrifice in Omumaja's shrine. A reputable, few-fledged suitor came here But you refuse. Now let me ask you. If the gods choose her for the sacrifice, would you stop it?
Can't happen.
Pennywise, palm tour. I'm sure you are planning to marry her to that wretch you call Agazi. But not upon my life. As long as I remain the father of Agatha, by virtue of our tradition, it will never happen. And like I keep saying, onye chowa mkpọmkpọ na mkpọmkpọ, ọhụla yọyọ na yọyọ. Eji poverty biege no mugugu. Tell me what you have gained from this life, if not wretchedness. As if you have anything to offer. It's all land. We shall see.
You don't have a wife. You've sent her away. You've sent your son away. You have nothing. Mobana, you're looking for where to eat. You want to send my daughter away, so you go there and be eating. Fella out there, May. Nonsense. Go and bring back your wife. Now, Wale.
Papa?
Yes.
Who died?
Welcome, my son. Thank to the gods that you are here.
You told me that there is fire on the mountain. That made me rush down to this place. Talk. Where is the fire?
My son, the fire is burning. There's no time to waste. Let me ask you one simple question. Is there any girl you have in mind that you are planning to marry?
Wait, Papa. Do you want to tell me that you made me embark on this emergency journey just because of marriage at this age?
Look, my son, your life is involved. Answer this question.
No.
Hey! You mean you don't have any girl in mind that you are planning to marry?
No, I don't have any girl in mind.
Hey! No way. Your life is so precious to me. I will not allow you to be used for that sacrifice. I won't.
What sacrifice are you talking about again?
The Omumuaja sacrifice comes up in 3 moons from now. And the gods will choose a boy and a girl that will be used for that sacrifice.
Why?
That is the tradition. And I don't want you to be a victim of that sacrifice. So you must get married.
Papa, it is obvious. You and I know that I cannot get married at this age, at this time of my life. I'm still hustling to be a man, and you are talking about marriage at this point.
Are you too young to die? You must get married before you go back to the city, because I don't want you to be a victim of that sacrifice. The gods shall take care of the remaining things. It is very important.
This is a very important issue. Let's go inside. I'm buying off now.
Don't worry. The gods shall take care of every other thing.
Let's discuss this thing well. Is it not too early?
Sister, I have come here to tell you something very important. You know you're my only sister. And if I see something that will make you happy, I will not hesitate to do it for you. If I knew I would suffer like this in my marriage, sister, I swear to God, I would rather stay single. I will stay single, sister, because I've suffered too much. And I don't want you to go through the same thing I am going through. Now you must get married to avoid the sacrifice. Sister, I don't want you to make the same mistake I went through. I don't want you to go through the same thing I'm going through. Look at me, sister. Look at me. See how tattered I look. I've suffered more than my age. And I don't want you to make the same mistake.
the eyes can shed blood, I don't think there'll be any blood in my system for me to shed anymore. Because I've suffered. Sister, I'm suffering too much. I don't want you to go through the same thing I'm going through, please. I beg you, in the name of God. I beg you, sister, please use your education to get married to a rich man. A rich man that will be able to take care of me, you and Mama. We have suffered too much, sister. Please.
Chinelo, I have heard everything you said. But I want you to understand something. Marriage is built on love and not wealth.
Sister, no. Marriage cannot survive with love alone. For crying out loud, you need money to take care of your children. You need money to take care of your family. Sister, you cannot survive with love. What kind of love are you talking about? You need money to take care of your unborn children,
Just leave that to me. I'm sure when I get to that bridge, there will always be a means to cross it. Yeah, don't bother yourself over nothing. Anyways, how is Ada and your husband?
They are just there. They are there. I have to be on my way now.
Aren't you going to wait and take the groundnut again?
No, Mama, I have to go.
Okay. If you say so, but I know you've not eaten anything since morning. Okay, I'll come one money with something and you eat it, drink water, and wait for the enough. The decision is yours.
Okay, let me stay now. Let me stay. I'll wait.
I'll soon find.
Woman,
Nine.
Omumaja sacrifice is at hand. What are you doing to see that your daughter gets married?
Nine. I have asked her to bring a man home. I don't know what she's waiting for. Ask her yourself.
Obiageli, my daughter, where is the man?
They call me Shishu, Papa. Papa, should I force a man to come and pay my bride price? Or should I go around this village looking for men that I will drag with rope home? Obiageli? Tumakao.
She does not know what is happening. Anyway, Obiageli, my daughter, listen to me carefully. That I am now the head of this community does not exempt you from being used as sacrifice to the oracle. Do well to get yourself a man. Pure Ed, I have spoken.
Nine. I will ensure that she gets herself a husband before time. I will do as much as I can. I will try as a mother.
It's all right. You can go.
Okay.
Hey! Yeah.
Customer. Thank you. Thank you, See you next time. See what you're doing. Wait,
I can do
let me show you.
You don't get money, now you sabi. You don't get work, now you sabi. Live on for me, not the one I love. You don't go school, now you sabi. You don't break chalk, now you sabi. I try to not the one I love.
Wait now, I'm trying to show you.
Now you sabi. Now you sabi. Live on for me, not the one I love. Anyhow we be, now you sabi. We go to manage, now you sabi. I try to not the one I love. Not my love, now you sabi. Not my choice, now you sabi. Live on for me, not the one I love. Anyhow we be, now you sabi. Not my darling, now you sabi.
Don't hurt yourself. Don't hurt yourself. Don't hurt yourself.
Sorry for my eye service. My name is Mr. and Mrs. Jasper Osoje, aka Jasper the Kappa. importer, exporter, land and sea, general merchandise of Etaro Jews in Ariariaba. Thank you. Thank you.
Welcome, sir. How may we help you?
I want to punish my Jew.
Okay. I guess I'm going to bring a shoe so we'll polish.
Oh, no. Don't worry. Don't worry. Because this is one that I'm wearing. This one that I'm wearing. Don't worry. Let me remove it. Yes.
Let me give you slippers.
Hey, don't worry. Don't worry.
Sir.
Don't worry about slippers. Don't worry. As long as this Nwasisi is yeah, I can do anything. Anything for this Nwasisi. No problem. Let me remove the shoe. Check the shoe. Punish it well.
Okay, sir. So we have seats.
No problem. Don't bother yourself now. Don't bother yourself. Just punish it. If you finish punishing that one, I will give you the second one to punish.
Okay, sir. We have chair.
No, I am fine. I am okay.
In our area, don't worry, money something, no, Jasper. Money is nothing, no, to Jasper. No matter the matter, naira or dollar, Jasper the kappa oyenko, he carry money. Life is a money something, no, Jasper. Money is nothing, no, to Jasper.
Good afternoon, sir. Fine. My name is Chief Mr. and Mrs. Jasper Osoje, aka Jasper the Kappa, importer, exporter, 7 container body of Italo shoes, Ariaria, Abangwa. Without apology, I am a very successful businessman with 1 job and 7 warehouses and 21 boys. Oh yes. Fortunately and unfortunately, I located one girl that is called Sisi Agatha, and I said I should come and collect a list because actually I have already married her in my mind. Oh, thank you.
This Jeep, is it your
point of collection? This is a water Kenese, 1 out of plenty.
And you're also a successful businessman in Ariari.
Bonkwem, my job needs no direction. Just say chop 2, block 11, Azikiwe line behind Okafor Plaza, Ariaria, Abangwa.
Okay, let me, you have already married her in your heart.
Oh yes.
Let me invite her mother. Julie! Julisco! Bia. We have a guest. Hey, wait. Julie, come.
Good afternoon, madam.
Here is my friend. His name is Jasper the Kappa. Successful businessman in Ariariaba. And you can see this Okwete Kenese is his own. In fact, his wealth is enormous. Even a blind man can notice it. And Olisa Binigwe has sent him to favor our family by asking for Agatha's hand in marriage. This is why he is here.
Much of money.
Mba, not again. Each of you will share mania with this your insult, isn't it? No, it will not happen. I will show you that I have right over Agatha than you. It won't work for Oblong or God on the moon. Look at this kind of thing. Mba, it won't work for you. Jasper,
Onyanko.
Ogom.
Look, the boy. Don't mind this woman.
How did you know that I nearly played for Enyimba? Back in the day.
No problem, eh? You are very welcome.
No problem.
Don't mind this woman. Eh? You have already married Agatha.
No problem.
Yes, we shall find out the egg and the fowl. Which one is older?
No problem.
Just for Onyanko.
Too much money. I promise not to disappoint you. I will not disappoint you. Nevertheless, let me give you something for your conscience. For your conscience of the days.
Look at this one for your conscience. This is for me.
I have a plenty where this one is coming from. Loca. Too much money.
Hey,
I am going to see you later. Let me go.
You have already married. Agatha is your own. Will you me if I take him back? She make a man mass. Look when I know. First visit. Whether this woman likes it or not.
Don't worry because
must marry Agatha. Hey, this is an ungrappa basket. And Juliana is like, it won't work. It won't work for Juliana. Oh God, maybe. Hey, this is just the beginning, I know. More. It's happened. Hey.
Excuse me. Are you from this village? Oh, you are from this village? Hey, because let me go straight to the point. You know there is no time to waste at this time of the time. So, my name is Kajetan Wabe Anuka, the son of Mazi Anuka. So, are you married?
No, why?
Hey, so can you be my wife? Yes, I am very serious. I returned to this village because of you. I'm serious. Look into my eyes, baby. You will see the perfection of love. Let me take you down to the ocean of love. Yes, I know what I'm saying. Baby, please, if we make kids, if me and you make kids, our children will be promo. As in Apple and a radio, Egosi and a TV. I know what I'm saying. Please, Why are you looking at me like that? I know what I'm saying.
Maga can't you shouldn't room for idiot.
Are you a stranger? Haven't you heard of Omumaja sacrifice? Men have suddenly become scarce, so you better grab your copy now. I am the only man standing. Grab your copy before you enter latent trio. Oh yeah, keep searching. Let me continue searching.
Akudene sibona ayo akudene yo akudene sibona yo akudene yo akudene. The sound of the spirit is here as you come.
Ikuku, son of the spirit. We are disturbed the way the youths are getting married after the announcement of the Omumaja sacrifice. And so we ask, what if Omumaja comes and there is no unmarried youth for the sacrifice? Ikenga, how is that possible? Elders of our land, nothing is impossible in this generation. That is true. That is true, my brother.
It's all right. Let us just listen to the mouthpiece of the gods.
I have to hear from the gods before I speak.
It's all right. We wish that the gods favor us with good tidings.
Because even the cripple may want to get married.
Of course. The tribe must rise.
Yes.
One day. Oh, yeah. My children, I am pressed to call for this meeting because of the recent situation that is turning the entire village into confusion and struggle for marriages. I thank the gods that both of you are very good friends. And you are still single, which puts you among those threatened by Omumaja sacrifice. Now tell me, what is your plan to get yourself out of this number?
Baba Nkebo is Yokubuna. I don't know.
Huh?
I do not know. I do not have any plans.
I can say, my son, you are making matters worse. There must be something on your mind. So say it out, Nwam. And don't swallow it. Say it out. And don't be like the man who hides his private parts and never had a child at the end of his life. Me ponu kwoku Nwam ka my fine kupu friend.
Kukwa no gene, Mama. Kedu hicho kankuo? Is it not obvious that my fate is already sealed? Eh, Mama? Look at me. Half a man, crippled. Which woman in her right thinking mind or right thinking senses would want to settle down with me? None. It is obvious that my fate is sealed. I am meant for the Omumaja sacrifice.
Hey, Spit
out those spittle with which you have used to condemn yourself. How can you speak such condemnation on yourself? Eh?
No. Agazie will not be used for the sacrifice. He sacrificed for me when I was at the end of the road. And he did that because he loves me. Agazie, I will marry you.
When love enters your heart, love takes over your mind. I don't care what they say. True love is blind. You don't get money, now you sabi. You don't get work, now you sabi. Live on for me, not the one I love.
Hey, Sister Bo. Hey, Sister Bo. You're back.
Yes, sister.
Ah, that is good. So, how is your daughter now?
They are
and the baby?
very, very fine.
I hope the baby is like us.
Sister, you need to see them. Tonto nwa.
Hey, Chukwaluka. No.
Sister, we're going to pad and work it.
Hey, hey. I said no visa.
Visa.
Oh.
Sister, carry your gift. This is your gift.
My gift?
Yes, sister.
Gift, this is here, babe.
My son-in-law.
Gave me this one?
Yes, he said I should share to all my fellow women in the village.
Hey! Eh? And he gave you this to give to me? That's very kind of him. All this one for me? This is too much now.
Sister.
Eh?
Why wouldn't it be too much for you? Why wouldn't it be too much for you? Do you even deserve a toothpick? You are an animal that does not smell its own stench. Look at your younger sister. Happy, healthy, fulfilled. Because she made the right choices for her daughters. But we are here donating your own daughters to poverty free of charge. I brought several wealthy suitors to marry Agatha. But you combined forces with her and rejected all of them. Etinye sugar no. Ebopo. Iji poverty eme guy. Grand ambassador of poverty. That's what you are. Ochicha biakurage holidays. Iji have families. Foolish woman. It's all land.
Sister, is it true that you rejected some wealthy suitors? Yes, sister. Sister, I agree that money is not everything, but at the same time, money matters a lot. You see, my happiness today is that my daughters are married to rich men. Sister, look at me now. Look at me from head to toe. Look at my clothes. Eh? Oh, Fangwa. Eh? What would I have done without them? Eh? Sister, gone are the days of managing marriage. Sister, you see these days, ladies see with their eyes before hearing with their ears. You see, ladies see money before they see love. Eh? They see money before listening to proposal. Sister, I don't understand you again. Oh, Fangwa. Fangwa go tell them watch. Oh, it was the
It's your teacher be a long holiday. Okay, be a quality holiday.
Zuzu away from my side, foolish woman. That was how you donated Chinelo to a poverty-stricken man. Right now, Chinelo was you kwaje and you say, "Mofosipan kwaje mega." If you see her, odika onyo nwuchiri oso. Tasa sisi aro ka eriri okazi.
Mbobu na nsieju yono. Mbobu na nsieju yono.
Keep donating them to poverty. Beautiful daughters God gave you. See how you are wasting them. I love you.
Come down.
Mama. Jasper, my son.
Mama.
Have you not seen the girl you will marry and settle down with since you came back from the city?
Mama, I found the one. But the girl is doing tulu make it younger for me. Why, Mama? Imagine that, Mama. Eh? Mama, Jasper the kappa. Mumaji law cash, so much money. Come on, you name it to make it younger. What for?
Then leave her.
Mbano.
Forget her and look for another one.
Mbano.
You are the desire of every girl in this village. You have money. You have cars everywhere. Eh? If you need them 10, you will have 15 before evening. Forget her and look for another one.
Mama. I want to marry a girl that goes to school. Yes, I want to marry a girl that goes to school. A girl that you choco.
You, a graduate.
Graduate.
In this situation, that every man is looking for a wife to save his life, you are here talking about graduate. This girl you're talking about, is she a graduate?
Bam, Mamijia.
Come on.
Oh, graduate.
Come on, Jasper.
Mama.
Is it not Agatha?
Bam.
Potaba, Agatha is not the right wife for you. The love between that girl and the Agazie is very strong to be broken. She cannot be your wife.
Mama, I am talking law cash. I am talking too much money and you're talking about a raffle. What is a raffle where there is a law cash, where there is so much money? Mama, why are you talking like this? Mama, it's a Fugonyambo. Mama, have you forgotten that I am Jasapa the Kappa, the only man in Ariaraba that has one chop and 7 warehouses? Hey, Mama, it is so much money. It is a lot of cash. But the time I will finish with that girl with so much money, that girl will know that I am alive. That girl will know that I am Jasapa the Kappa. Of one money, and Mama, to prove that to you, I will give you 200,000. So that you will go to your Omada meeting. You will go there and tell them that Jasper the Kappa, your son, is in town. Mama, wait for me, Mama.
Mama, my daughter just died like a fowl. All because my husband cannot afford 4,500 naira for hospital bill. Oh, Mama. Poverty!
Hi. There's a mama. There's a mama. Hey! Woman, why you tell me? There's a so you're gone. 4,500 naira. Just 4,500 naira that would have prevented my granddaughter's death. Hey! Akumudo ila putamo. My daughter. Akumudo amosi fifi eme we setu awe akuolo mwamo. Hey! Obugodo keleku. Obugodo keleku. Chai! My daughter that just greeted me good morning. He's been buried in the bush. Just like that. Oh. Hey, hey! Adi bebe, Adi bebe, on watch up with how much there's another money. Hi! Of when?
Last night was the best night of my life. Agazie proposed to me and I said yes. Look at me, bright to be, bright to be.
Chinelo, why are you in tears? Mama, what is happening? Both of you are crying and nobody's talking to me. What do you want me to do?
Agatha, over my dead body would I allow you to get married to Agazie? That poverty crippled man. Over my dead body.
Over your dead body? Will I get married to the man that I love? Is it not
the same love that kept me like this? Is it not the same love?
Shameless mother of sheep daughters. See how your grandchild died like a baby lizard. Just in the name of poverty. Yet you are not worried over the future of your first daughter. Director General of Poverty Campaign Organization. Look at what you are doing with the children of my brother. The whole village is beginning to think that you have a hand in the sickness that claimed my brother. Look at them. Look at Chinelo. Before she married that poverty-stricken idiot, I used to call her Anyamotut. Whoever sees her on the road today might think she's either a mad woman or a destitute. Courtesy of Julia Allah. You are Julia Allah. Allah na aye. I are choking henanya. If you are mad, why not run into the bush? Instead of uselessing my brother's children, beautiful children, you have now turned them into beautiful nonsense. But let me promise you, Agatha will never marry that church rat. Bet me, Juliala. Juliala, bet me now. Bet me. It's all land. We shall see. It's all land. Yes, it's all land. We shall see. We shall see the winner and by how much. Juliala.
My daughter. Adama. Mama. Oh. Why me?
There is one a sister from another mother. I greet you.
Thank you. Thank you so much.
Agazi.
Mama.
Mama. My beloved son. Oburo Mole. Manomo Mole. I honestly don't know what to say. I just want to say thank you for what you people have done for my family. For the way you have taken my family, I thank you people. I can never thank you enough. See, I wish I could give you the whole world to show you how grateful I am. But I can't do that. So I decided to come myself physically to thank you and say that the gods of this land will pay you people back.
Juliana, we should be thanking you the most for the helpful role you and your family played in my family. As a matter of fact, you should be the one to receive all the thanks. Thank you.
By the way, Agatha told me earlier today that Agazie proposed to her.
Exactly.
Oh, you're full of mother Nanya Nasianobi.
Oh, young.
Eh? Mana, there's something I want to say. You see, Agatha is the only person I have in my family. She's the only hope. Hey, Bikono, I've come to ask you to...
No, Juliana, no.
Mama Binite, no.
Juliana, why?
Mama, get up now.
Juliana, okay, please get up.
I just want to ask you people to please allow Agatha to marry a rich man.
Huh?
Agazi, I know you sacrificed a lot for her, I know. But she's a graduate today because of you. You didn't send her to school so that you would propose to her at the end of the day. Because I know the gods will pay you back. Because
it's you, I won't know your My matter, no again. What 100 naira?
It's too much now.
No, it's not much now. All of them.
Let me give you 18 naira.
Check the work now. Just bring it. You come and collect it.
Yes.
Thank you. Say what? Have you finished doing the other one?
Agatha, you want to put me in trouble up here? Look at you, stupid girl. You're sitting here. You don't want to go and get married like your fellow young girls. What do you think you're doing here? Sitting in a shoemaker's workshop. Doing what? Did I even call it a workshop? If I born more in short, Agatha, look at the kind of slippers you people are fixing. From I'll tell you something. You're not getting married to this man. So better follow me home and marry a man.
Mama, good afternoon.